Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and tasty guacamole recipe. And here are the ingredients. Here I have 2 avocados, a piece of lemon, piece of onion, tomato, and 2 cloves of garlic, fresh cilantro leaves, chili flakes, and salt. Now let's get started. And now let's peel our avocado. Now already cut. Remove. Let's smash the avocado a little bit. Done. Put aside. Now let's cut our remaining ingredients. First, let's cut the garlic. Let's chop the garlic. Now let's add our chopped garlic to our prepared smashed avocados. And now let's chop our onion. And then let's also add on our smashed avocados. And now let's slice our tomato. And then let's add also our avocados. Squeeze our lemon. Set aside. And now let's cut our cilantro leaves. Done and set aside. Now let's mix all our ingredients. Add half teaspoon of salt and put the squeezed lemon and mix it. Let's add our chili flakes. You can also use jalapeno if you want spicy. And now our sliced cilantro and mix it. And our simple tasty guacamole recipe is ready to serve.